In last lecture we have to see this section formulae for external division and its examples. Next example is, if factor A, B, C are the position factors, if factor A, B, C are position factors of the points A, B, C respectively, points A, B, C respectively, and 5A minus 3B minus 2C is equal to 0 factor. These are A, B, C and 0 are factors. Then find the ratio. Then find the ratio. The point C divides the segment AB. Point C divides the segment AB. Solution. We know the section formula for external division is factor R is equal to M factor B minus N factor A upon M minus N, and internal division factor R is equal to M factor B plus N factor A divided by M plus N. In this example, we have to given the position factors of the points A, B, C are factor A, B, C, and we have to given factors linear combination 5A minus 3B minus 2C is equal to 0 factor, and we have to find point C divides segment AB. Point C divides AB. We have to calculate, that is point C divides segment AB. We have to given linear combination of the factor is 5A minus 3B minus 2C is equal to 0 factor. Then we have to write 2 factor C is equal to 5 factor A minus 3 factor B, that is factor C is equal to 5 factor A minus 3 factor B divided by 2, that is 5 factor A minus 3 factor B divided by 5 minus 3. 2 means 5 minus 3. This shows that is factor C. This shows that the point C divides BA externally in the ratio 5/3. In the ratio 5/3. We know the section formula of this type. We have to take C is equal to 5A minus 3B divided by 5 minus 3 is 2. Similarly, we have to solve example. Write down. Similarly, we have to solve the example. Write down. Similarly, we have to solve the example. Factor A, B, C are the position factors. Write down. If factor A, B, C are the position factors of the points A, B, C respectively, and the linear combination of the factors are 2A plus 3B minus 5C, 2A plus 3B minus 5C is equal to 0 factor, is equal to 0 factor, then find the ratio, the point C divides segment AB, divides segment AB. Next example, write down. Find the midpoint. Find midpoint of the segment joining the points of segment AB joining the points find the midpoint of the line segment AB joining the points P 2 3 minus 1, A 2 3 minus 1, and B 1 4 5. We have to see section formula for internal division, that is of this type. We have to take midpoint formula. We know the midpoint formula, and we know the midpoint formula. M is equal to A plus B by 2. Given vector A is equal to 2I plus 3J minus K, vector B is equal to I plus 4J plus 5K. Therefore, write M is equal to 2I plus 3J minus K plus B I plus 4J plus 5K divided by 2 is equal to 3I plus 7J plus 4K divided by 2. That is vector M. Therefore, the coordinates of the point M are 3 by 2, 7 by 2, and 2. That is the midpoint. Of line segment AB. That is the midpoint of the line segment AB. So, midpoint formula point काढायला. त्यानंतर next example. Find the center of the triangle. Find center of the triangle. Find the centroid of the triangle whose vertices are given by A 1 2 3, 1 2 3, B minus 2 3 1, minus 2 3 1 and C 215. No solution. We know the centroid formula. Suppose centroid formula G is equal to factor A plus factor B plus C divided by 3. We have to give one factor A, B, C are the position factors of the point A, B, C respectively. Then factor A is equal to I plus 2j plus 3k, I plus 2j plus 3k, factor B minus 2I plus 3j plus k, factor C is equal to 2I plus j plus 5k. Therefore, we have to give one calculate the centroid. That is, we have to take factor G, it is centroid, xi plus yj plus zk. We have to calculate the values of x, y and z. That is xi plus yj plus zk is equal to a vector I plus 2j plus 3k plus minus 2I plus 3j plus k plus c vector 2I plus j plus 5k divided by 3. This 3 take LHS. 3 into xi plus yj plus zk is equal to, take addition of these 3 vectors, I minus 2I plus 2I, that is simply I. Next 2j plus 3j plus j, that is plus 6j. Next 3k plus k plus 5k, 3k 4k plus 5k plus 9k. Then we have to take this 3 as it is, that is xi plus yj plus zk is equal to 1 by 3I plus 2j plus 3k. Therefore, comparing or equating coefficients of I, j and factor k unit vectors, we get x is equal to 1 by 3, y is equal to 2 and z is equal to 3. The values of centroid G, X, Y, Z, that is G 1 by 3, 2 and 3. That is the centroid of the triangle which vertices are A, B and C. Similarly, we have to calculate the examples of these types. Midpoint formula, centroid formula, section formula for internal division, section formula for external division. This type of examples we have to solve of these types. Next example, write down. if two of the vertices of the triangle are, if two of the vertices of the triangle are A314 B -4 5 -3 and centroid of a triangle of the triangle is G -1 to 1. Find the coordinates of the vertex. Find coordinates of the vertex. Find the coordinates of the vertex C of the triangle. C of the triangle. Solution. We know the centroid for in other examples we have to give one three vertex of the triangles and calculate with centroid of the triangle. Another example, we have to take three vertex and PQR of unknowns for this vertex and centroid is given. We have to calculate the values of x, y and z. In this example, we have to given two vertex of the triangle and centroid. We have to given third vertex. आपल्याला काय करायचं पण हा ट्रायंगल जो आहे हा सेंट्रॉइड G ABC या ठिकाणी A आणि B दिलेले आहेत. C काढायचं आहे आपल्याला आणि सेंट्रॉइड पण दिलेला आहे. या ठिकाणी व्हर्टेक्स C काढायचा आहे. आतापर्यंत काय केलं एक्झाम्पल मध्ये आपल्याला तीन व्हर्टेक्स दिले होते, आपण सेंट्रॉइड काढला. तीन व्हर्टेक्स दिले होते, त्यात एक्स वाय झेड अननोन दिले होते आणि सेंट्रॉइड पण दिला होता. त्यावेळेस आपण एक्स वाय झेडच्या व्हॅल्यू काढला. आता या ठिकाणी दोन व्हर्टेक्स दिलेत आणि सेंट्रॉइड दिलाय. काय करायचं आपल्याला तिसरा व्हर्टेक्स काढायचा. वी नो द सेंट्रॉइड फॉर्म्युला. वी नो centroid formula is G is equal to A plus B plus C divided by 3. Given factor A 3I plus J plus 4K, factor B minus 4I plus 5J minus 3K, centroid G minus I plus 2J plus K, and we have to calculate C XI plus YJ plus ZK. This we have to calculate the values of X, Y, Z, that is the point C, vertex C. Therefore put the values of this minus I in this form, centroid form, plus 2J plus K is equal to A plus B plus C divided by 3. A 3I plus J plus 4K plus B minus 4I plus 5J minus 3K plus XI plus YJ plus ZK, that is factor C divided by 3. Then we have to write these 3 in this side, that is minus 3I plus 6J plus 3K. We have to multiply it by this factor G by 3. Then take addition of these two, 3I minus 4I minus I j plus 5j plus 6j plus 1k, right? Plus 4 minus 3, right? Plus xi plus yj plus zk. Therefore take addition. X minus 1i plus y plus 6j plus z plus 1k. Comparing to equating the coefficients of I, j, k, we get equating the coefficients x minus 1 is equal to minus 3. Next, y plus 6 equal to 6 and z plus 1 equal to 3. Therefore x is equal to minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2, 6 minus 6 is equal to 0, and z is equal to 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Therefore we have to get x is equal to minus 2, y is equal to 0, and z is equal to 2. That is the coefficients of the vertex. Therefore the coordinates of vertex C of triangle ABC is minus 2, 0, 2. Is your answer. Stop it.